Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video we're gonna learn exactly how to make this custom footer using the Divi theme. So we're gonna learn how to create this one and apply it to all the different pages. So let's start building our custom footer. So in order to do that, you just need to go to the dashboard. You're gonna check if our Divi theme is already activated. So go to Appearance, Theme, and make sure that Divi is active. After that, scroll down, search for Divi, and click on Theme Builder. So as you see, we already have a global header, and now we're gonna add a global footer. But let's go first and check our current footer, how it looks. So as you see, when you scroll down, you go back to the footer, we're gonna see the old default Divi footer. So we're gonna change that to our custom footer. So let's go back to Theme Builder, click on Add Global Footer, build a global footer, and let's start creating. Okay, first I'm gonna add a 4-column row or 4-column row. Okay, so in the first column we're gonna add a logo. So I'm gonna search for image. I'm gonna insert my logo in the image. I'm gonna hit save. I'm just gonna add a text under it. Okay, you can add or customize your text here in the text area. So I'm just gonna keep 3 lines for me now. Gonna hit save. And then I'm gonna search for social media follow or social media icons. As you see, for the default one, I have Facebook and Twitter, X. I'm gonna add another one. I search for LinkedIn, for example, and that's it. You can add for each one the link. Like for LinkedIn, you can click on link and add your specified link here. You can add specific background to it or change but I suggest you keep it like the default one. Like if it is LinkedIn, for example, just keep its color. So I'm just gonna go back, search for LinkedIn, this one. Okay, I'm gonna hit save. For the second column, I'm gonna add a heading for the title of our section or our column. A heading, I'm gonna call it navigation. I will present my different pages in this section. So I'm just gonna give it an H3 black color. Okay, and I'm gonna add an extra spacing at the top so it will align with the logo. So I'm gonna go to padding. I'm gonna link this one, give it 30. Like until I see it's good here. Okay, make sure that you switch the different devices to see how it affects the tablet. And for the tablet it's good, and for the mobile you can like delete the extra padding, no problem. Or for desktop, I want to have 30 pixels from the top. And also just want to add a weight for it. So I'm just gonna give it semi-bold. And hit OK. Okay, right now I'm gonna just add a text under it. Oh, not this one. Okay, I'm gonna hover and delete. Now add text. Search for the default module text. These ones came from another extra plugins. So I'm just gonna use the modules given by Divi. Okay, so I'm gonna hit home. I'm just gonna write the menu pages like program, services, blog, and contacts. Good. And for each one, you can add the link. Like for home, I'm just gonna click on the link icon. I'm gonna give it like for just slash for the internal link. Although it changed color, make sure it goes back to black, for example. The program the same, slash program. Like, just create your own pages, like copy the slug and just paste it here. So I'm just doing this like an example, but you can do that with your own pages, your own slugs, etc. So for this one, slash services, so I'm just gonna give it a black as well, blog, yeah, etc. So I'm just gonna give it all of them black. You can also customize it from the design tab, this text. Like, you can change the color, but we already changed the color in content. So if you still didn't change the color here, go to design and change the color from there. Okay, so I'm just gonna give it a little bit bold. Don't bold this too much. Okay, good. I'm gonna save changes. So what I'm gonna do is just I'm gonna duplicate this module, place it here, duplicate again, and I'm gonna place it here. Okay, I'm gonna rename this one like resources. The last one is contact. Good. The same thing, I'm gonna just duplicate this one. And I'm just gonna, for example, change, like I'm gonna add these special pages here, privacy policy, terms and conditions, maybe in person, like special pages if you have, etc. Okay, you can add the links, the same thing, just like select and click on the icon and add the URL. You can like change the target if you want. It can be opened from a new window or just reloads this current page, etc. So for contact, I'm just gonna add a form under it. And add a contact form. I'm gonna delete the name. I don't want the name. I just want the email. I'm gonna delete the message. And for the spam, I don't want the spam, so I'm just gonna scroll down, search for spam. I'm gonna hide it. Okay, good. The email is small. I'm just gonna edit, go to design, and make full width. Good. Now I'm just gonna customize it. So I'm gonna go to fields. I want a white background, or white doesn't appear. Like, we can do something like gray, for example. And for the text color, I'm just gonna keep it white or black. Okay, good. I just didn't like the gray there. Maybe much grayer like that. Okay, good. So I'm gonna go back now, scroll down to button, or go back here, go to design and button. For the text size, I'm just gonna give it 18. For the background, I just want to give it the same color as my logo. So just gonna copy the hex code from here, paste. Good. And for text color, I'm just gonna give it white. And there is an extra space, an extra border. I don't want to have a border, so I'm just gonna give it to 0. And that's it. Okay, good. For the text, I just want to give it a black color, so I'm gonna go to design, text, and the black. You can also change the width, like, of the row. So I'm gonna go to the setting of the row. I'm gonna go to design, sizing. I'll just maximize the width because it's stuck at like 1080 pixels, you see. So I'm just gonna give it 112 30. Or if you want to be more precise, you can give it a percentage value, like for example, 85%. And it's good. Also, usually I add a button, like bottom padding, like for example 100 pixel. So sometimes it looks much more professional, as you see, like that. Also, I just want to add a background color to the whole section. So I'm gonna go to background, click on this one. I'm just gonna give it something. Okay, let me copy a code from my website palette. For example, this color, you see? The white, with white gray, like grayish color, you see? Okay, this is good. We can make it a little bit brighter, like that. Perfect. And for this one, let me change for the last time. Fields white is much better. And that's it. So don't forget also to just hit save after any major editing you do. Okay. So now after we saved our footer, we just need to hit the close button here. And don't forget to save changes. This is really important. Sometimes I forget to save changes and I lose all the data, you see. So save changes. And let's go and see our footer. So I'm just gonna refresh and see. You see, so that's it. So that's how you can build a custom Divi footer using the Divi theme. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment if you have any questions or you have ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.